Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul for you, and this is a different type of haul because, as I said in a previous video, I've been recently asked to see slightly different types of haul videos, so not the standard ASOS and Topshop, even though those are my favourites. Today I have a mango haul. This is a really big box. So I did a very late night mango order. This is very autumnal from my memory, so I'm really excited to dig into this. I feel like my Pretty Little Thing haul, which if you haven't seen that, I will link that somewhere. I think it's there for you to go and watch. And yeah, today we have a mango haul. The Pretty Little Thing haul was definitely more basics, like essential things that I needed in my wardrobe, and I was actually really surprised by how much I really liked everything and how much I've got so much wear out of what I got. So yeah, I'm really excited for this haul as well, so let's get into it. When I say let's get into it, it would be great if I actually knew how to get into the box. Why don't they just make this a little bit easier for you? Right now I'm using scissors and I should be being supervised by an adult, really. That's just not possible because I live alone. They really need to think about this. What am I doing? How am I not doing this right? You need to just like rip this, like, how's this? Okay, that didn't really, did that work? No, this is just going to be 16 minutes of Suzie trying to get into a box. Okay, get into my, oh yes, okay. Ooh, this is fancy. Okay, let's do this. This is very exciting. So excited I feel like I'm going to throw up on myself. I went out last night. I'm not okay. Okay. Ooh, this is exciting. Now the one thing I am noticing so far is certain things, just a couple of things so far, are not in the size that I ordered them. I don't know if what Mango do is just send you a different size if it's not in stock, which would be kind of strange to me. But yeah, the first thing I picked up with this is this cardigan. It's in a medium to large, so this could be super oversized, but if it is, that could still be kind of cute because I think cardigans are really nice when they're like snuggly and oversized. So we'll see. It wasn't how I was planning on wearing it though, which is a little bit annoying, but it's really soft. Like, it feels like that soft that's not going to be itchy as well. I like this. Okay, and it's got really nice little kind of tortoiseshell brown buttons. It's like this lovely kind of, what would you call it? Beige? Cream? I'm gonna go cream. It's a really nice cream colour. Very excited to try that on. It feels so soft. I want to like put my head on it, but I've got a full face of makeup on. So oh well, I just struck it. Okay, so although this cardigan is not what I wanted it to be in terms of sizing, I actually really like this. It's got I really like the sleeves. Like, look at that, that's really cute. So they kind of like sit quite nicely. I actually really like the length of it for having a medium large. It's like very oversized, but I actually think that with like top underneath and then like some shorts for a skirt and then little boots, I think that's a really cute like autumn look for when it's not obviously like cold yet. I think it's really cute. Let me know what you think. I don't know, I seem to pair everything with bare legs and have done for the majority of this year, I feel like, or like tailored trousers. So yeah, I don't know if this will be to everyone's like taste or comfort zone. I just love jumpers and trainers, or jumpers and like boots. I think it looks really cute. So yeah, I actually think this could be kind of cute, like cute little top on underneath. I've got a really weird bra on today, excuse that. I think I might keep this. I really like it. Continuing with the beige. Genuinely scared that I may have been not okay when I ordered this because everything is in a medium to large. Okay, so I'm going to be trying things on, but I think we can safely assume that lots of things aren't going to fit very well because even the coat is in a medium. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to show you my picks because I really do like these things anyway. Like, these are my like top picks from Mango. But when I try them on, they probably aren't going to fit. The jumpers might be okay, but like a coat in a medium for me is just, I have to get like smalls or extra smalls in coats because I am 5'1", and yeah, that's just not going to work. So yeah, the next thing, continuing with the beige, is this roll neck. It's really cute. It's got very like big sleeves. I think it's kind of meant to be a bit cropped. It's not going to be cropped on me. It's got this really lovely roll neck, and again, it doesn't feel like the itchy kind of soft. It just feels really nice and soft. Okay, this is cute. I would have loved it in a smaller size because this is crazy, like my body is here. It's very oversized. Sleeves, they're really big and billowy. Yeah, I would have loved this in a small medium, but like it is still really cute. I love it. I think with like this little leather skirt and then some ankle boots, it's just very cute, and I think it would look really lovely with like a pair of black skinny jeans during the winter as well. Even with the same boots, I think like it's just a really nice easy piece. The colour of it is beautiful. It feels really soft. Like, yeah, I would recommend this. I would highly recommend this. It's lovely. Ooh. Okay, if I can't get this in a smaller size, I'm just keeping this one because I really like it. Not that I need more jumpers, but yeah, I really like this. I would recommend. It's so cute. Only thing I would say about this is if you are really like particular on your sleeves, because they are big and billowy, they are not going to fit into a coat very easily. That's all I'm going to say, because this would definitely be one of those things that I couldn't really layer under a coat because of the amount of excess material that we've got going on. So yeah, that is like the only thing that I would think about is like you can't, this is not a jumper for every occasion, basically is what I'm trying to say. So this next item, I'm really hoping it does fit and look nice because I was so excited about this. It's this jumper, which again feels just absolutely lovely. It's in this lovely kind of warm dark brown, and it's got this lovely like knitted, like kind of big knitted texture to it, and I just absolutely love it. It's got a slight high neck as well, and I was just like, oh my god, this is going to be perfect for autumn. I love my like brown tones, and this is just going to be absolutely perfect. My voice is going lovely. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this on. I've been waiting for this order purely for this. Like, I'm so excited about it, and I'm really excited to pair it with this, or I was. There's probably, I might have to have this either taken in or send it back or whatever, because this isn't, the medium's not going to fit me. It might. Depends on their sizing. Like, I don't actually know what their sizing's like, so this could be like an interesting little try. Actually, this could be alright. Yeah, no, I think we'll be okay with this. Yeah. This is a good test actually as to whether you need to size up or down in Mango clothes, because I've never ordered from them before. Literally, I think I've ordered maybe like one thing or ASOS from them, so I don't even know what their sizing is like. So actually this is going to be a really interesting little test. But I ordered this kind of like light brown and dark brown check skirt that's got a little frill down the left of it. I thought it would pair really, really nicely with this jumper. So yeah, I'm really, really excited to try those two on. I really hope they fit. But yeah, that was kind of like a one outfit that I'd like properly pieced together. Like, I know what shoes I want to wear with it, and I know like all of that was the one thing in this haul that I was really, really excited to try on. And if it does fit, I'm going to be wearing it for my birthday lunch, which I'm going to in about an hour. Very, very excited to wear that, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So this is the brown jumper. I really like this. I'm super happy with it. The skirt is a little bit big, so I'm having to wear it like a lot lower than I normally would. Normally I would have it around here, but there is a lot of room here, but it actually does fit really nicely around my thighs. It's just got a little bit of like extra room, which is quite nice. So yeah, I can wear it like lower down and then it's kind of fine, but it just isn't where I want the jumper to sit. Like, I wanted the jumper just to sit a little bit higher up, which is kind of annoying, but I could just deal with the fact that it is a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's kind of more how I wanted it to sit, I think. Yeah, a little bit more like that. I've just paired it with these Topshop tan boots. I do really like it. I think these skirts are kind of nicer than denim skirts because denim skirts tend to stay in like a block and they ride up and just twist around, whereas these types of skirts in this material don't do that as much. So it's kind of nice from that perspective. I really like when it is sitting at this point. I really like how it sits at the back. When I pull it down, it just doesn't sit at the back, if you can see, like there. It's much more flattering sitting at this point, I feel. But yeah, I really love this outfit. I just, this was my like vision when I was shopping on Mango. I do really like it. It's very, very cute. Little bit preppy. I feel like I always go a little bit down this route in the autumn, but yeah, it's very, very cute. Then we have this. It's kind of like a hybrid between a cardigan and a coat. It's very like light coat and it feels knitted. It's so, I think it's actually quite strange having a cardigan coat hybrid, but yeah, I'm really excited to try this on. It's like this camel colour. It's got kind of like 3/4 length-ish sleeves. They're kind of like big billowy sleeves, and then it's got like your little what would you call this, like a collar around the top. Nice big pockets, nice big open pockets. So it's kind of just like one of those like throw around kind of things. There's no like belt to it or anything like that. I think they did style it with a belt though, so you definitely could do that as well. I'm really excited to try that. I think it's going to be perfect for like the autumn winter months, although I might have to get the smaller size because it's a medium to large. We'll see how that works out. I think that will probably swamp me. I am on board with the coat cardigan, the coat-cardigan. I repeat, I am on board with the coat cardigan. I'm going to need this in a smaller size because it is a little bit big, but it's so nice. I love it. I love the colour. I really like how it works with just like skirts and boots. Work really nicely with my jeans in the winter as well. It's actually like the cut of it isn't that bad in terms of the fact that it is so oversized for me, but the cut actually makes it so that you can't really tell so much. But yeah, the cut makes it so that it doesn't look too oversized, so that's really nice. Yeah, it just feels so soft. It's really lovely. Yeah, what do we think? I feel like from far away it definitely looks like I need a different size, but yeah, I do really like this. Would recommend. Okay, next we have this high neck black ribbed kind of knit jumper. It's like, I feel that this is just going to be a nice like essential basic. It will go really nicely with the skirt that I ordered again. It's got nice long sleeves. It's meant to be like quite a tight fit. I actually think this might be okay because it is like quite a tight fit. I think this might be okay in the medium, so that's really good. It might just be that there's a little bit extra kind of like around my waist and in terms of the length. But yeah, we'll try this on and see, but I thought this would be a really nice basic for the coming months. I can kind of layer it underneath things, and right now I can just wear it with skirts and bare legs, and that's really nice. So very excited to try that on. So this is the plain black high neck top. I need to just sort the neckline out. Hold please. It actually comes up quite high. I will probably just roll that down and roll it over. I just think that's a bit more flattering, and I don't have the longest neck in the world, so it can be a bit like not flattering and very constricting. So yeah, this is what it looks like. We do have a bit of like excess. It's not super tight. There's quite a lot that like sticks out around here, but I think as long as I was wearing something that I could really like tightly pull it into, it might be okay. Ideally I would like a small, just because I think that it would be a lot more seamless when when I want it to. Can you see that? It wouldn't be doing that if I had a small, so it would like bunch up slightly less. Yeah, it's a really nice basic. It feels really nice to wear, and it's like a nice, it's not like too thin and it's not too thick as well, so it just feels like quite nice quality. Then we have this coat, which actually doesn't look as nice, anywhere near as nice as it did on the website, so I don't really mind that this probably isn't gonna fit. But it's got a little faux fur collar. It's kind of like one of those biker style aviators on top, but it's actually really long. It's kind of got like an almost like, it's got like a faux leather effect running down it. It's quite a long coat, like it just carries on going, seriously. And it's got the faux fur lining like all around the inside. I will try it on and show it just so you can see it, but yeah, this is definitely going to absolutely swamp me. Like it's going to come down to like my mid calf, if not just a few centimeters above my ankles. I really like the grey faux fur colour, but yeah, I don't actually feel like the outside of this is that nice. Like it feels quite cheap, so I'll show you it on, but this one will definitely be going back. As suspected, this coat is not cute. I literally look like I'm wearing like Hagrid's coat from Harry Potter. Yeah, this one's gonna be a no. I'm gonna be sending this one back. It's just a no. I look like I belong in Game of Thrones. And that's where I'm going to leave my complaining about this coat. And then we have a scarf, which is probably the joy of this haul, because I don't have to worry about whether it's going to fit or not. Oh, this is so nice. I love the colour of this. It's kind of like a dusky nude colour. It's just lovely. Yes. Yes. I'm on board with this scarf. Yes. I actually really struggled last winter with scarves. Like I didn't really feel like I had any that I absolutely loved, but this I am on board with. I really like this, and because lots of what I wear is either tan or black or kind of like a denim, I just think this is a really nice universal colour to have a scarf in, although the fluff is going everywhere. Get away from my eyes! Yeah, I'm really happy with this. This is my one like thumbs up pre-trying it on, even though I am trying it on because it's on me right now. This is my one like definite thumbs up from this haul. I'm actually really happy with this. It was worth doing the haul to have this because I haven't seen any scarves like this anywhere on the high street, so yeah, very happy with this. But yeah, hopefully in the try-ons of this haul, you will have seen, because you're in the future and I'm not, hopefully in the try-ons of this haul we had some successes. I hope you guys have enjoyed this haul, and if you were thinking of doing an online order from Mango, you kind of know what to expect now in terms of what the order is going to come looking like and all of that. But hopefully just in terms of the stock and what my top picks are, this was somewhat helpful to you. But yeah, that's going to be it for me today. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. I love you all lots, and I'll probably see you again tomorrow, unless this goes up on a Friday, in which case I will see you on Monday, because it is Vlogtober and you're getting videos Monday to Friday. Scared. I'm scared. I don't know. How is this going so far? I don't even know. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I love you lots, and I'll see you again probably tomorrow. Goodbye. Bye. bye.